Oh my gosh, Johnny's mother's been shot in the face and Johnny witnessed everything. He's running to the cabinets right now to grab out some liquor to numb out his pain. I don't think he's gonna recover from this. Hi, my name is Angela Singh, and today I am going to be talking about why psychedelic mushrooms should be legalized. Psychedelic mushrooms should be legalized because it copes with depression and it decreases smoking habits and it relieves cancer-related psychological distress. To start off, psychedelic mushrooms usually help people cope with depression better. It leaves people with a more positive attitude and people usually feel more happier while using it. Ellen Hansen, a mental health therapist, stated that more than 85% of her clients had a successful breakthrough therapy session, which is really, really good. I remember having a friend of mine that was in the military for a couple years, and within those couple of years, he has seen some terrible things that he wished he never seen. So he does live with PTSD, but one day he decided to try out these therapy sessions. And after trying them out, he told me that they were the best thing he's ever done and life has never been so much better. So that was really awesome. The second thing I want to talk about is how it decreases smoking habits. So Matthew Johnson, who has a PhD in behavioral science, discovered that psychedelic therapy helps decrease smoking. And the reason why it helps with decreasing in smoking habits is because whenever you take psychedelic mushrooms, the whole concept is to help you see a bigger picture and not be so focused in to what you are seeing already. And so by doing so, by seeing the bigger picture, it helps you break out of some of your bad habits. And so this is why psychedelic mushrooms will help people usually break out of their bad addictions. The last thing that I'm going to talk about is how psychedelic mushrooms usually help cancer patients with their psychological distresses. And the reason for that is because a lot of cancer patients usually feel so much anxiety and fear before going to their chemotherapy sessions or figuring out what stage of cancer they're at. And so Dr. Charles Grob, a professor of psychiatry at UCLA, he mentioned that it helped cancer patients feel more at ease when they take psychedelics before going under chemotherapy. And if we kind of think about it, cancer patients usually have a lot of fear, and I personally think that they are the one who suffer the most with anxieties because they know that their lifespan is getting shorter. And so by taking psychedelics, especially during chemotherapy sessions, it really does help because they don't have to worry about what they're going to feel, how they're going to feel after the session. And so by taking it, it usually makes them feel a little more at ease. So overall today, I have talked about why psychedelic mushrooms should be legalized. They usually help you cope with depression, it decreases smoking habits, and it helps cancer patients feel a lot better than they do. Thank you.